on station. Contact boss man on the AFO freak for fast mover and warthog fires.
Roger, Panther. We have eyes on those warthogs.
Mother, what's the plan? This road's a no-go.
Get to the front gate any way you can. The A&A are arriving there now.
Guys on the right, take them out. Rabbit, 12 o'clock.
We got a bead on where the mortars are coming from.
We got bigger problems. Right! Fuck you. Making a shortcut. We got vehicles left.
Roger, Panther. We'll look for him. We have to find the mortar crews. Got him. We're on foot from here.
Target's right.
fired our position. Looks like it's coming from south of the airfield.
Roger, Panther. We'll look for him. We have to find the mortar crews. We're on foot from here. Target right. Get out of the open.
Straight out. RPG, 11, second deck. Enemy down.
Good kill. Kill, which way? In the building. Tango down.
Green, keep cover.
Tango down.
Clear.
Take the stairs.
Mother, the ANA need help penetrating the gate.
We'll get gas to rain heavy.
Roger that.
Contact left.
On the stairs.
11 o'clock.
Rabbit, get the soft lamp.
Neptune 1, boss man, passing it ugly 3-5. Go for ugly 3-5.
Ugly 3-5, this is Neptune 1. Target is bunched up enemy at the gate. Numerous enemy and small arms threats.
Neptune 1, this is ugly 3-5. I can't tell the cowboys from the Indians down there. Can you mark targets?
Rabbit, mark the gate for a strike. Roger, target is marked with soft lamp. 3-5, nice job. Target destroyed.
Roger, Neptune 1, coming around for a second pass.
BTI, 12 o'clock.
Ugly 3-5, Charlie Mike on same position. Marking target. Take out the vehicle.
Roger, ugly 3-5, tallies your laser, on approach.
Terminate. Ugly 3-5, Delta Hotel. Vehicle eliminated.
Roger, Neptune 1, go get him.
We're still taking indirect mortar fire here. Do you have eyes on those mortar crews?
Negative, Panther. Stand by.
Roger.
Target 12!
Low right.
Be done. Take the stairs. Let's wait for the border crews. Keep an eye out for those 80s. Panther's still getting dropped on.
Focus. Nail your targets.
Eyes open. Let's find the mortars.
Taking fire. 10 o'clock low.
Mortar crews, 4 o'clock, about 100 meters.
Get him. Tango down. Mortar crew eliminated.
Mortars, other side of that fence.
Let's get him. Down this way.
Contact. Get down.
12 o'clock.
RPG, second deck left.
beasties. He's down. Shit! Contact right. We got 2 mortar teams right. 50 meters.
Shit! Tango's below!
Left bow.
Hang on, that's right.
Engage. Target down.
Mother, I see another mortar firing. 300 meters from the graveyard.
Let's go.
Look, you're full of ammo.
Incoming! Panther, Mother, tell those warthogs to cool it. We're in the graveyard. We can handle it for now.
Roger. You take care of all those mortars. We're still taking fire and it's getting close.
We got enough ammo.
We're on it. Mother out. Let's get that last mortar. Clear right.
Clear left.
No, we have different weapons.
Mortar crew, 9 o'clock.
Nice work. Panther, all mortars eliminated.
Roger. Jimmy's hearing some chatter about a Taliban counterattack from the east, but I'm seeing nothing.
Check. We're going to the tower. Raise you when we're there. You be in our eyes and ears, Panther.
Roger that.
The tower, huh?
Yeah. We get to that hangar and move to the control tower. We take the tower,
Kill.
take the base. Tango down.
Yeah.
Hi, take the plane. Red, get
Tango with the plane! He's high!
Target's 1 o'clock.
Sniper, 12 o'clock.
Down. Watch it. He's done. Status.
Clear right. Clear left.
All right. Be sure to dig your corners. Tango in the warehouse. Catwalk.
Down low.
Move up. 2 o'clock.
Right. Get down.
Tango down. Stay down.
Get cover! Can't walk your target.
Okay, clear.
Clear right. Clear left.
Let's take it topside. Watch the corners. Stairs are clear. Clear.
Mother and Panther, keep your eyes open. We saw a truck headed your way.
Roger. They didn't make it.
You got enough ammo?
Let us know if you see anyone else.
Check. Word is that the Taliban counterattack is happening. How close are you to the tower?
Hang on, Panther. We're almost there. It's across the courtyard. Give us 15 mics. Guys,
Come on. I got a dark stairwell full of can't see shit right here.
Panther, we're moving out.
Roger.
We're clear. Stack up on the door downstairs.
Got him. Move fast. Cover to cover. We're almost there. Richard, moving. Go left. Moving right.
Kill. MG on the balcony. Target's right. Moving up.
Kill. Kill.
That's fine. Afghans on the left. Watch your fire. Reloading.
Target down.
Taxi. Contact 11 o'clock. Got a guy in 10.
We can flank that gun from here, Rabbit. Move up. Right. 10 o'clock. Here we go. I got your six. Let's go. The tower's the objective. You don't need ammo. You need to shoot. going in the hangar. He's down.
Changing mag. Contact! Exit right! Target window!
Push up!
3 targets below.
He's coming. I'm on your side. He's dead.
Yo, hit the tank!
Heads down!
Friendly!
He's done. Building secure. Let's take it outside.
Let's do it!
Preacher, get the door. Get down! That was major fucking close. Panther, mother, get those birds to stand down. We're moving to the tower.
Roger. We have those fast movers on station ready for attack as soon as you get in the tower.
Give us 10 mics.
Roger. We're hearing increased hostile radio chatter on our guys. Get in that tower.
Contact, second tank!
Multiple targets dug in on the tower. Rabbit, we need you. Take it topside, Rabbit.
Grenade, keep moving! Look out!
They really don't want us in there.
Shit, sniper rifle. Rabbit could make things easier for us.
Kill. They really don't want us in there.
Shit, sniper rifles. Rabbit could make things easier for us. Move.
Damn it, Rabbit got hit.
Got grenade!
They really don't want us in there.
Shit, sniper rifles. Rabbit could make things easier for us.
Smoke out. Move to the door. Hold. Rabbit.
Kick that shit in. Can't help you, different weapon. Clear right. Contact left. Move. Always on. Move forward.
He's done.
Keep moving.
down.
Clear. Clear.
Who the fuck are these guys? Militia, Tariq's boys. Looks like we're too late. We're moving.
Clear.
Damn it! Panther, mother! Said we are inside the tower. This place won't be an airfield if we keep bombing it.
Roger that, Mother. Better hurry. Keep moving in the east. The Taliban's coming.
Roger. Almost there.
Contact.
Status.
Clear.
He's dead. Clear. Rally up.
Clear.
More stairs.
Neptune, fast movers are on station in Cast Stack and available for tasking.
I see trucks, Rabbit. Hit them.
Ugly 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing cannon. Hellfire missions are on.
I got eyes on tacticals. South of the village. There's hellfires on the moving targets, Rabbit.
Ugly 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing cannon.
I got technicals. North side of the village.
Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles.
Rabbit, come on. They're closing ground.
What the fuck, Rabbit? You forget how to use that thing?
They're crossing the runway. Take them out.
Ugly 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing cannon.
Rabbit, come on. They're closing ground.
Wicked. Spot on, Rabbit.
Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles. Ugly 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing cannon. Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles.
Target eliminated.
Ugly 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing cannon.
RPGs, Rabbit. Take them out.
They don't have so many stairs, Mother. They're crossing the runway. Take them out.
Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles.
Delta Hotel.
Bound 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing cannon. Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles.
Looks like the Taliban have a few tanks. Coming over the South Hills.
Tanks versus Cass? My money's on Cass.
I got Russian tanks on the horizon.
Get them before they get within range of us.
Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles.
Just like that.
Ugly 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing cannon.
Target effect. Well done.
Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles. Ugly 3-5 Towers, your mark. Firing
Get out.
cannon.
Great.
Tally Neptune, going to 30 miles.
I got technicals. North side of the village.
target. Missile off the rail.
Next target. No need to wait for impact. They're dead. Good kill.
I got T-55s north of the village.
Neptune, tally your mark. Bombs away.
I got eyes on technicals, south of the village.
Tally, missile away, Neptune. Neptune, Ugly 35 has target. Missile off the rail.
Rabbit, come on. They're closing ground.
Neptune, bombs away. Keep pinging that target until impact. Ugly 35 tallies your mark. Firing cannon.
Target eliminated.
Tally Neptune, going to 30 mics. Ugly 35 tallies your mark. Firing cannon. Hellfire missiles are online. Tally Neptune, going to 30 mics.
I got eyes on technicals, south of the village.
Use Hellfires on the moving targets, Rabbit.
Neptune, Ugly 35 has target. Missile off the rail.
Wicked. Come on, Rabbit.
You can mark and move to the next target. No need to wait for impact.
Ugly 35 tallies your mark. Firing cannon.
I got technical
Going to
north
30
side of the
mics.
village.
Tally, missile away, Neptune.
Rabbit, come on. Closing ground.
What the fuck, Rabbit? You forget how to use that thing?
They're crossing the runway. Take them out.
Rabbit, come on. They're closing ground.
Neptune, Ugly 35 has target. Missile off the rail.
RPGs, Rabbit. Take them out.
2,000-pound laser-guided munitions are online.
They don't have the way to see this, mother.
Ugly
Target
35 tallies
eliminated.
your mark. Firing cannon. Neptune, bombs away. Keep pinging that target until impact.
Taliban have a few tanks. Coming over the South Hills.
Tanks versus Cass? My money's on Cass.
I got Russian tanks on the horizon.
Get them before they get within range of us.
Tally, missile away, Neptune. Off the mark, Neptune. Tally, Neptune, going to 30 mics.
Don't let them fire. Runway's no good if damaged.
Neptune, Ugly 35 has target. Missile off the rail.
Well done.
Firing cannon.
I got technical north side of the village.
Neptune, bombs away. Keep pinging that target until impact. Missile away, Neptune. Tally, Neptune, going to 30 mics. Neptune, Ugly 35 has target. Missile off the rail.
They're dead. Good kill.
I got T-55s north of the village.
On the mark, Neptune. Bombs away.
Yep.
Neptune,
Neptune. Bagram is ours.
Roger, Panther. Likewise. Gentlemen, we just seized an airfield.
Well, that was pretty fucking ninja.